waves kiss the shoreline, a soft endless sound. Creatures of deep leave trails in the sand, silent witnesses to life's grand command. Leaves rustle secrets with every breeze's sigh, songs of the morning where dawn meets the sky. Flowers unfurl with a delicate grace, nature's own ballad played in soft space. The heart of the woods, where life weaves its tale in cyclical beauty, enduring and frail. Gather round, listen to the earth's gentle plea, preserve what is sacred, let all spirits be free. The heart of the woods, where life weaves its tale in cyclical beauty, enduring and frail. Gather round, listen to the earth's gentle plea, preserve what is sacred, let all spirits be free. Just a good book, a piece of cake, and some time to waste. Dreaming of the blue rain with my lovely dog, sleeping on the couch and dreaming alone. I don't want a fireplace,